Hello and welcome to Winged Pair. Today, we'll be guiding you through the Turkish visa application process for Indian citizens residing in the UAE. Planning a trip to Turkey can be an exciting adventure, but navigating the visa process can sometimes be daunting. That's why we are here to break it down for you, step by step, so you can focus on enjoying your travels stress-free. Turkey offers various types of visas, including tourist visa, business visa, student visas, and more. As an Indian citizen, you will likely be applying for a tourist visa for your visit to Turkey. The tourist visa allows you to explore Turkey's rich culture, history, and landscapes for a specific period. Watch the video till the end, as we will clear all your doubts, and you will also find frequently asked questions and tips at the end of video. Now, let's talk about the documents you will need to prepare for your Turkish visa application. Original passport. First and foremost, ensure that your passport has a minimum validity of 6 months from your planned date of entry into Turkey. Passport copy. UAE visa copy. Emirates ID copy. One biometric photo. Make sure the photo should be on a white background taken in the last 6 months, depicting the full face including ears, with the face clearly visible and in 5:6 size. It is to be taken without headgear, hat, cap and spectacles. Let your photo studio know that you want photo for Turkey visa process and they will do the needful. Original NOC from company. A no objection certificate document from the company you work for. Make sure it should be in hard copy on your company's letterhead. Last 3 months original bank statement. Please note that e-statements are not acceptable. The bank statement should be an original signed copy from the bank. Company trade license copy. A copy of trade license document of the company you work for. Flight voucher. Your to and fro flight tickets from Turkey. Hotel voucher. Your hotel voucher or booking for all the stay days in Turkey. Make sure you don't miss out even on a single day booking. Rent agreement of Dubai. Complete travel itinerary. Your marriage certificate if you are married and traveling with a spouse. Last but most important, your appointment letter. Now you must be thinking how to get an appointment letter. You can either apply online through VFS Global website or through an agency. If you're applying online, fill out the application form accurately and upload the required documents as per the guidelines provided. You will need to choose an appointment date for the further process. So choose a comfortable date and time and your appointment will be scheduled. If you're applying through an agency, submit the documents to the agency and they will take care of your appointment scheduling. Next, go to VFS Global office on your scheduled date and time with all the mentioned documents. Then, submit your documents in person. Be sure to follow their specific instructions and requirements. Now here are a few tips to remember while going for document submission process. They might ask you a few questions about your planned trip. Plan the answers for a few basic questions so you don't fumble there. In case you don't have a rent agreement on your name, you can tell them that you stay on sharing basis. They will ask you to fill out and sign a form stating that you stay in sharing accommodation. They might reject some of your documents and ask you to get correct ones within 2 hours. So, it's always better to choose morning time for appointment so that you can arrange the required documents before the office closing time. Turkish embassy is very strict about the document rules. So make sure you get all the mentioned documents, as they will not accept the application even if a single document is missing or incorrect. Make sure you carry the original bank statement with signature and stamp and not an e-statement. E-statements are not valid and they will reject it. Make sure the NOC from your company is on a company letterhead, otherwise they will reject the document. Now, let's continue with the process. After the document checking and submission, you need to make the payment and submit your original passport for visa pasting. Note that you need to give your correct UAE residence address, contact number and alternate contact number so that your passport along with your visa reaches you safely. After the payment, there will be a biometric submission where they will click your picture and take your fingerprints. Your submission process is done here, and after this, you need to patiently wait for your passport. You should consider the processing time for your visa application. While standard processing times may vary, it's advisable to apply well in advance of your planned travel dates to account for any unforeseen delays. The general waiting time is 7 to 15 days. You will receive an automatic mail titled Approve Notification saying that your visa application has been concluded, and then your passport and visa will be delivered via post. You need to show your original ID to receive the passport. If visa application is approved, you can find your visa attached to your passport. If it is rejected, you will get a letter of rejection. Unfortunately, you cannot know about your visa application approval or rejection before you get the passport in your hand. Also, if the visa is rejected, it is unlikely they will provide you a reason. You will just be notified that your visa is rejected. So make sure to double check all the information and the documents are up to the mark before submitting. If you have a US, UK or Schengen visa, the visa process is completely different and much easier. You just have to fill an online application form and you will get your e-visa in a couple of days or even hours. Now, let's talk about the finances. Our Turkish visa costed us around 1100 dirhams per person. We paid half of the amount at the time of online application processing and rest at VFS Global directly after submitting the documents. In case of US, UK, Schengen visa, you just have to pay online application price, which is 200 dirhams. Now, let's discuss some frequently asked questions. How long is the Turkish tourist visa valid for? There are two types of tourist visas, single entry and multi-entry. Single entry visa is valid for single entry within a specific period, whereas multi-entry visa are valid for multiple entries within a specific period. Do we need to take a travel insurance while traveling to Turkey apart from visa? No, your visa includes your travel insurance as well. But if you're having an e-visa, in case of US, UK, Schengen visa, then you need to get a travel insurance separately. So, this was all about Turkey visa and application process. Now, you're one step closer to exploring the beauty of Turkey. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Winged Pair for more travel tips and guides. If you have any further queries, you can drop in the comments below. We would love to help. You can also contact us on Instagram. We have mentioned the link in the description. This video is a part of our Turkey travel series. You can check out the full collection of videos on our channel. And if you want us to make video on any other topic, do mention in the comments. We will be back with our next video very soon. Till then, winged pair flying off. Happy travels!